I run an Amazon PPC agency. I will show you exactly how to figure out if an agency is actually worth hiring so that you don't have high cost and zero clarity. Because sometimes you can cut costs by 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 per month if you hire correctly. So sellers spend from 1,000 to 5,000 monthly on PPC management. I see it. And this is incredibly hard to uh, check to make sure that you select the right agency or the right specialist to manage your PPC. It's incredibly hard to evaluate an agency competence. Usually you do the first month as a test, but in this video I will show you exactly how to do so that you can check for sure if an agency is worth working with. So there is no theory here, it's more about practical tips. So you are the clients, so you are allowed to interview them, and there are 5 essential questions to ask before signing anything. Most agencies cannot answer these questions, not because they are hiding something, but because they simply don't know, or maybe they are not aware about the best process to manage clients' accounts. So stop paying for agencies that don't answer correctly to these questions. So the test one that I'm gonna talk about with you is about the reporting cadence. So we want a proactive reporting, and we want to know how much, how often reporting you get. Like usually there is weekly, monthly, daily reporting. You want to notice information. If they don't notice already, probably they don't have a reporting process in place, and that's not a good sign. So we don't want monthly reporting usually because it's not enough. And we want someone to be proactive. So make sure to ask these questions indirectly. So ask, what is the reporting? And you are looking for in the answer of things like we do weekly reporting, we will send you information, we will send a report, we will send emails, we will keep you updated every day, something like that. Test two, what takeover should we target? So if they talk only about HECOs and they are not giving context about launch, growth, or scale phases, that's a red flag because they're not aware about the ecos, different ecos necessary, and they're not aware that the ecos is the king and we want to be profitable also. So yes, tecos, but also the relationship between margin, profitability, and tecos is very important. So if they don't talk about this kind of stuff, it could be a red flag because they talk about ecos because most of sellers want lower ecos, but the root cause of profitability is usually the relationship between margin and take. So that's something important to check. The test number three, what exactly happens in month one? So you want a plan. You want a plan of something that's gonna happen. It means that they have experience, they already tried, they already tested what's gonna happen. They can write it down, but also if they explain it to you and they are specific about the timeline, that's a sign that they already tested that. They have a strict timeline about deliverables. So for example, this is an example. Don't look for we will optimize your account, we set up your campaigns. It's too vague, right? So you want to look for, okay, we will do the month one with you. What is gonna happen? So what do we get the first week, the second week, the end of first month? For example, full account in the first week, foundation restructure, scaling operations, in the third and fourth week. So this kind of stuff. That's four. What is the process when number falls? So because the reality is that marketing agencies are problem solving, right? Even if you are the best agency, they need to problem solve, be proactive about problems, but also problem solve. So the question is, when there is a problem with the results, what are you going to do? This is a good question because if they answer there is no problem, is a bad sign. If the answer, there is these issues, we see these issues with these clients and we solve these issues in 1 or 2 weeks in this way, that's a very green light because it means that they have experience, they solved, they know how to solve, and they know the timeline to solve. They know how to deliver results, how to make you happy, and they're very honest about what's gonna happen. So this is a good sign because some agencies uh, they promise a lot, but they don't deliver. Right? You want to avoid that thing. And then the test number 5, that is probably one of the most important. Show me an account takeover, or show me some metrics and some results. Right. So this was the starting point. Look at this graphic; is amazing. This was the starting point. A broken engine. We fixed with these tools, these pieces, this strategy, this PPC strategy, this PPC strategy, and we got a perfectly running machine. So they show you maybe screenshots, the reporting, there's some metrics, what is the exact change, or maybe they have some case studies on the website, and that's the reason why on our website we have a lot of testimonials. I think graphical testimonials we have like I think 10, and then we have other more than 10 5-star reviews, then we have video reviews. So that kind of stuff is important. We do that because we want you to check that. We want you to see that the results are possible and we deliver to other people. um, and of course the ultimate proof is the results, right? But if they explain to you the results that clients got with the same strategies, that's the closest thing you get to real life result. And of course, don't be afraid to test. So once you check this stuff, invest in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months of testing to see this agency if they're working or not, because it's always better to test after you make sure that the client of the specialist is good. You always want to do something. You don't want to wait your competition to skip over you and rank higher than you. So this is the principles. So if you want a summary, it is a summary of what to do. Reporting takeovers, month 1, drops means like when something goes wrong, how this solve. Takeovers, like real life scenarios with metrics and results. Yeah, interview multiple agencies. That's something I suggest you to do. Observation with operation. And of course, I repeat again, like after you do all this stuff, invest in someone. If it's not good, you skip and you go to another agency. But if you test with these metrics or the tips that I gave you, you're already months ahead the competition with this stuff. And if you trust me, like you can talk with other agencies, of course, as I explained to you in this video, and then come to us. I'm sure that you will like what you hear from us because I think 85% of the people that book a free audit with us then request a plan with the prices, how we collaborate. So they're very interested about what we do after they hear the audit. So I suggest you to book the audit. You see our competence, you ask your questions, you see how we answer to those questions. And if we can work together to double your revenue with half at cost, we will do it together. Thank you. See you in the next video. If you're running an Amazon store and you're doing from 100K to 5 million per year, and your Amazon PPC is eating away all your profitability and your ACOS is too high, I want to give you something completely for free. Since 2017, my team and I have audited hundreds of brands, and we manage over 600 campaigns on Amazon, helping Amazon brands double profitability with half at cost. We had clients that with triple profit in 30 days, clients multiply by 5 the sales with as little as 2 months. And I want to do to you the same audit for free. To get it, you just need to click the link below, give us some answers regarding your business to know your situation and to see if you're qualified for the free audit. We will show you exactly how to double the sales with half at cost or get triple profitability in 30 days. We will show you the same strategies that we used with our clients. And you get also an estimation of the real results that you can get with your own store. In the call, there is no obligation, no pressure to buy anything. It's just a free Amazon PPC audit based on our experience since 2017. And you will get this free plan for free. You will get the plan to implement it by yourself. And later, if you want, we can also tell you how we can implement this strategy for you. The link is below. Don't lose this opportunity.